Today, we're going to show you how to connect your Steam account to your Discord account. If this video is helpful, consider subscribing to the channel to support us. First, open the Discord app on your computer. Then, click on User Settings. In the left-hand menu, select Connections. On this page, you'll see several icons for different platforms that you can link to your Discord account. In this case, we're going to connect Steam, so click on the Steam icon. You'll be redirected to a new tab in your web browser. In this tab, sign in to your Steam account. After logging in, you'll be taken to a confirmation page. Simply click the green Sign In button. Once this is done, you'll see a message confirming that your Steam account has been successfully connected to your Discord account. You can now close the browser window and return to the Discord app. Back in the Connections section, you'll see that Steam is now linked to your Discord account. Here, you can choose whether your Steam account should be visible on your profile and whether your Steam account details should be shown publicly. Enable or disable these options according to your preference. If you visit your Discord profile, your Steam account will appear there if visibility is enabled. And that's how you connect your Steam account to Discord. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel to support us.